dinner tonight, he said. My dad had never said anything about my TikTok videos until that day. It wasn't like him to call and congratulate me. I knew exactly what he wanted, but I wanted to hear it from him. And also, I had some things to say. We went to a nice restaurant that evening. The waiter who was taking care of us recognized me immediately. He even sang a bar from my How to Say Cringe in 100 Languages song. Then customers began to line up at our table. They all wanted to get selfies with me. Emily and her mother were watching Enviously. After we ordered our food, my dad cut to the chase. Honey, you're a real TikTok star now. I'm proud of you. As you know, Emily has a TikTok account too, but she hasn't had much luck until now. Your mom and Emily tell me they've asked you several times, but you didn't give them a definitive answer. I wanted to personally ask you, will you do a video with Emily and help her gain followers? My food arrived. I cut a slice of my steak and popped it into my mouth. As I was chewing my
Enviously. Enviously. Enviously.